Glad you could come and check out this video. I have a bunch of these like LED bulbs, which are basically guaranteed to keep going for 7 straight years. And I've had them for about 2 months, switched on and off for short periods of time during the day, and they've already failed. So much for the 7-year thing. But anyway, I figured I'd try and open these up to see what's in them. So I just heated around here with a heat gun. Just use one of these Radio Shack heat guns around the sealant that joins the glass part onto the metal part. Oh, there it goes. So finally came off, and here's the LEDs that run that line. It's a whole bunch of cells, probably connected in series. I just managed to free up the LED, the plate with the LEDs on it, by taking out these 3 screws. So there's the 2 wires there that you can see. So I'm going to take this part off now to see if I can separate out the wires. I just managed to pull this off with a pair of pliers. Okay, I finally opened it. There's kind of a rubberized insulating material in it. I've removed most of the potting material. This is pretty much what it looks like. It's a sort of rubberized material. Hollowed most of it out, and now I'm able to pull this out. So let's do that with a pair of pliers gently. Okay, I finally isolated the bulb and connected the wires to AC. This is actually via a variac, which I'm going to slowly crank up just for safety reasons. Let's test this out and see which part of that bulb was broken, whether it was the inverter circuit of the bulb or the LED part. So let's find out. I've got power, and let's turn it on. And the thing works perfectly. It's very bright, as you can see there. So it really makes a lot of light. And I'm running about, let me tell you, approximately 36 to 40 volts into it to get this much brightness. Here's another one that I opened. This one did not have the potting material in it, so I was able to get the inverter out whole. So that's this whole thing is made of solid metal, as you can see there, and those are the screw holes that hold the back of the LED on to remove all the heat from it. Let me show you how it sits on there. So there's a thermal material on that, which makes contact with that and removes all the heat, because these things generate a lot of heat. It basically plugs into the inverter like this. It has like a socket on the back, and plugs right in to that socket. And the heatsink is in between this part and this part. So that's pretty much how these things work. I'm pretty sure this inverter is also broken, just as in the other case.